Hi, welcome. Jacky here, your EFT practitioner. Hey, I just want to take a second here and answer one of the top questions that I get asked because it's a tip that I give. Tap on the negative. And we have been trained so well to be positive, right? The law of attraction, we want to be positive, we want to say positive things. And all that is well and good, but is that getting you the results that you want? I would venture to guess no. You're probably not getting all the results that you want in every area of your life when you're focusing on being positive about it. And it's not that I have a problem with being positive. I don't at all. In fact, I really love to help people get all of the crap out of their head, the negative stuff out of their head, so we can put in the good stuff instead. And part of that good stuff is positivity. But see, the truth of the matter is the negative stuff is in there. It's already in there. And I know that's true for you too, because our brains are wired that way. Literally, our brains are wired to go to the negative place first, and we have to retrain it to go to the better place. But the catch is you actually have to acknowledge the yucky negative feelings that are coming in first. And we don't like to do that because we weren't taught how to deal with those feelings and emotions that we have. It's not like you went to a class in elementary or junior high on processing emotions 101. We weren't taught how to do that. And EFT is something that helps us learn how to process our emotions. So I love this quote from Louise Hay. She's one of my favorite mentors. She said, when we're tapping, we have to see the dirt in order to clean our house. And what she means by that is we have to see the crap when we're tapping. We have to acknowledge it. We have to give it a voice. And we just need to do that to help release it so we can get to a better feeling place. And so that's why we want to tap on the crap. It's already there. It already exists. That's why we want to acknowledge the negative stuff so we can get it out. And you know that when you acknowledge the negative stuff, you always feel better afterwards. Like you feel this relief that comes over you. And it's because you're setting free like the truth. You did have a thought that was negative. That happened. That's true. And you're just releasing it and letting it go when you acknowledge that is there. And I get it. I've had so many people ask me this question, and so many people want to argue about it. And you can argue about it, but the thing stands is that you have to get that junk out of your body in order to move the better feeling place. You can't ignore it. You can't pretend it doesn't exist. I mean, you can do those things, but it doesn't benefit you in any way. It doesn't help you clear it out. Like if you were standing next to me right now and I was going to ignore you, you're still standing next to me. I'm just pretending you're not there, right? But you're still standing there. It's the same as you get bills in the mail and maybe you don't have enough money to pay them and you ignore them. You don't open the envelopes. Well, the bills are still there. They didn't go away because you didn't open them. They're still there. So when we ignore things, they don't go away. When we pretend they don't exist, they don't go away. That's not how it works. We need to acknowledge what is already there. And then with EFT, we can process it and release it. And that helps us move to the better feeling place. It does it automatically. And EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. And EFT helps us reduce the cortisol in our body when we tap on the meridian endpoints. And EFT really helps us get through whatever it is that we're going through and helps us get to the other side, the better feeling place. So the negative is there. That's why I say tap on the crap, because it's there and you just need to acknowledge it. And then as you're tapping and saying it out loud, your body will release it and let it go, and you'll automatically move to the better feeling place. So that is exactly why we tap on the crap, we tap on the negative, is so we can move through it. That's the easiest and fastest way. So please watch some of my other videos. If you'd like to join my tapping community where we do some tapping, love to have you in there. I'll put a link in the comments here so you can request to join that and be a part of the group. And we do some different tappings in there, and we're starting to grow as a community and connect a little bit more. And that's a place that I can support you on your tapping journey. So keep tapping and acknowledge the negative.